Komffy Maids, your partner for exceptional residential cleaning. In the midst of our daily hustle, have you ever yearned to return to a home that serves not just as your dwelling, but as an oasis of cleanliness and clarity? Let me introduce you to Komffy Maids. Much more than a cleaning service, it's a revolution for your home. Have you ever considered how your surroundings impact your daily well-being? Envision the tranquility and serenity a thoroughly clean and organized home could bring. Wouldn't it be liberating to have a service relationship without unpleasant surprises, where transparency and trust are as evident as the cleanliness itself? Now, let's focus on personalization. How often have you wished for a cleaning service that fits your needs? At Komffy Maids, we don't apply a one-size-fits-all approach. We adapt to the peculiarities of your home and your specific requirements. And let's talk sustainability. Have you ever pondered the environmental impact of conventional cleaning products? At Komffy Maids, we take pride in adopting sustainable practices and using eco-friendly products whenever possible. Consider modern efficiency in services as well. From online scheduling to effective communication, we incorporate cutting-edge technologies to make your experience with us more straightforward and comfortable. Discover the power of an immaculate home with Komffy Maids. Ready to give your home the care it deserves?